Hello guys, once again welcome to my channel. This is a Times of India report dated December 9th, 2021. In this report, KEA is deciding for a third round of counseling for engineering. So it's a very good news for the engineering aspirants who are waiting for a better engineering seat. See, even the KEA officials also have the knowledge that after the first round of the medical counseling, the second round of engineering counseling would start, so that the engineering aspirants, the CET aspirants would get a better seat. But as per the knowledge of the officials, they say that there's a court hearing in the economically weaker section quota for the NEET PG and all. So that's why MCC is delaying. So that's why we are also not getting any notification to start the NEET counseling also. But still, as per my knowledge and what other medical aspirants also believe is that there's another court hearing, right? That some people have got 0 marks, some people have scored some 54 marks, whereas they deserved some 650, 700 marks and all. So that's a court hearing which is scheduled on December 13th, right? So we feel that that's why it's getting delayed, but maybe that KEA and MCC have a connection and they would have got notified why it's getting delayed. So if this becomes true, it's a very bad news for us, the medical aspirants. For engineering, it's okay, because like today or tomorrow they will get a seat. Of course, even we medical aspirants will also get a seat, but still it will get delayed after the NEET PG. What they feel is that even every year after the NEET PG counseling, the NEET UG counseling starts. So that's why after the NEET PG means it will get like entirely delayed, and MCC will be in burden of conducting both the PG and UG counseling hand in hand, and it should be a simultaneous process, and it's a quite difficult task. And maybe there's no sync between the VTU and the KEA, I feel, and they are only releasing their own timetable for the whole year. And the state government had also issued a warning to the KEA that all the courses which includes engineering should be completed by November 30, but still it's far ahead now. So I'm telling that it's still seeking the government's nod for the third round counseling. It's still not officially declared. So let's hope for the best, and if third round counseling will be there, so it's a very good news, so that all the engineering aspirants would get a better seat in an engineering college. So all the engineering and medical aspirants, all the best. Thank you. Keep watching.